Is that working? Testing. 1, 2, 3. YouTube hates me. YouTube hates me.
Let's do some auto-tune. YouTube hates me so much. YouTube, I fucking hate you so much. Oh, you suck. YouTube, I hate you so much. I hate you so much, YouTube. All right, I think I'm back on Twitch. Who knows what's going on with Rumble? All right, I think we're back.
I think we're back. I don't even know what I was talking about. This is auto-tune. New favorite song. Folks, obviously this one's going to go off the rails. I was talking about popcorn. Okay, what do you need to know about popcorn? Here's what you need to know about popcorn. You need to know that it's good. It's a small thing, but it's not going to completely like kick down the doors of Wall Street. It's a good thing, but it's not going to be the amazing thing. But we are waiting on some potential exciting announcements from, I guess, the leadership team on Monday. We are waiting for that. That is the earnings announcement after the market closes. Obviously, I will be streaming it. And here's a couple things that you want to know about. So first, we have to talk about the Wedbush analyst, Ms. Reese. She's bearish. And she has a note to all of her people who listen. Apes will eventually cash out. I disagree. Reese downgraded the stock to underperform. She has a price target of 750, which is actually above the average price target of 554. With such a bold statement such as that, you'd think that she has some pretty solid reasoning. Let's hop into it. Let's see what her reasoning is. We downgraded shares of AMC to underperform on our assumption that ultimately the majority of retail ownership will eventually cash out and move on. She thinks we're going to get bored. She thinks how can we get bored when we have tools like this?
I still hate YouTube so much.
With things like that, we are literally never going to get bored. Like the amount of different tone changes I could do in here, we're going to be here forever and ever and ever. Volatility in shares of AMC is likely to continue, driven by trading momentum unrelated to AMC's fundamentals by retail investors whose time horizons remain unclear. I think our horizon is pretty obvious. Shorts covered. That's our horizon. If she doesn't like, what kind of DD is this? We know we have a very obvious horizon. Our horizon is do the shorts cover. If the shorts cover, we're good to go. I gave her the horizon, and she probably has some fancy schmancy degree about this one. It's not hard to figure out what our horizon is. AMC is expected to report third quarter adjusted loss of 53 cents after a loss of $8.41 a share a year ago. So that's obviously a considerable uptick, but we're also basing it to the same quarter, the fiscal quarter of a year ago. So obviously it should be greatly improved, which would be the least it lost since the fourth quarter of 2019, according to a FactSet survey. Revenue is expected to rise nearly sixfold to $713 million, the most since the first quarter of 2020. The Wedbush analyst expects adjusted per share loss of 48 cents and the revenue of $760 million. Those are the numbers she's looking at. That's the proverbial line in the sand, and we will find out on Monday, November 8th, 5 p.m. Eastern, after the market closes, what the results are. We will be finding out, obviously. Now, for me, the golden question right here is, are we going to beat these numbers? That is her expectations, and like the street is a little bit around it. My thoughts, I'm going into this being cautiously optimistic. I do think we will beat these, and my reasoning is Cinemark. So Cinemark had their earnings announcement before the market opened today. And just so you know a little bit about Cinemark, it's another movie-going experience. You can look at their chart right here. This is the daily chart. In fact, it looks like it's about to break out of 22. Estimated short interest, according to Ortex, is 23%, shares on loan 28 million, and utilization 36.57%. So it's a lower float stock considerably lower utilization, way lower volume, higher short interest. So kind of a mixed bag there, but they actually did very well with their earnings. And in my reasoning, in my little dumb money ape brain, with Cinemark doing well, I think AMC will do better, just not only in magnitude because it has a greater market share, but also AMC now has a very loyal following of apes that Cinemark doesn't necessarily have. It has more name recognition. So I'm expecting the proportionate increase, even relative to the market share size, to still be better for AMC, which is a good thing because even Cinemark did well. Once again, this was reported by their CEO today. If you look him up, he just did a talk with CNBC, and he was actually throwing like a little bit of shade about the whole popcorn selling thing. It's kind of funny if you want to check it out, but it just got a little bit of jealousy. Quarterly loss of 78 million Friday, which was compared to a loss of 148 million in the same period of 2020. So a nice year-over-year increase there. Revenue jumped to 435 million, and a year ago it was 36. So even this, remember, that's their revenue, but the expectation for AMC's is like 760. So clearly it has more market share. Attendance for Cinemark reached almost 31 million patrons in the third quarter, up from 1.9 million comparable in 2020. And then this is comments from the CEO of Cinemark himself, Mark. We are highly encouraged by sustained positive trends in escalating consumer demand for theatrical moviegoing and growing momentum at the box office. This favorable progress was clearly demonstrated in our 61% quarter-over-quarter growth in worldwide attendance, which flowed through to our bottom line. So if we're looking at just the sector in general, like movies, the box office, Cinemark, I think it's kind of showing its hand of how things are about to go for AMC, and this was very good. So I'm not expecting AMC's to really be much different. I don't think it's going to flip the script. If anything, I think it'll be as good or on a proportionate basis even better, which is obviously solid for AMC as a stock when that comes over. And don't forget that we are right here, AMC, just so you know, currently trading at 41.34. There have been some murmurs from the leadership team that there's going to be some sort of announcement. So, of course, I'm going to be excited for that to see what's going on. I see a couple people asking about PROG and what the numbers are there. PROG has an estimated short interest of 31.84% right now. Utilization maxed out. Shares on loan of 34 mil. What else do we have? Where can I get an NFT of your thumbnails? We don't have NFTs of the thumbnail. I don't know. So many people have been saying that I feel like we should. Like, maybe you could buy the thumbnails and it like just gives you access to the Discord or something. I don't know. We got to figure something out. But a lot of people have been asking about that. I'm sure my graphic designer would be stoked to know that there's been such a high demand to turn his art into NFTs. All right, so with that, GME right now, the developments we're looking for on that doesn't have its earnings this upcoming week, but I'm personally very excited to find out as it continues to go into this world of NFTs, NFT marketplace, its connection with Loopring, Web3 development. They have 8 job postings. They just have a new revolving credit. So GME, AMC, fundamentally, are they still overvalued? In my estimation, yes, but they are fundamentally improving as well. And as that improves, that means that the short thesis is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So I just want to bring that to your attention. But the overall market, I mean, seasonally, what we're seeing right now in the SPY, the Qs, IWM, it's spot on. The start of November, typically very, very bullish, and we're seeing nothing different this time around. So as we're waiting for this stuff to get close, we have about 45 minutes. We haven't done this in quite a while, but I went to the PO box and I have a lot of things right here. So as we're watching the charts play out, I just figured I could do some of this unboxing stuff and let you guys know. Let you kind of know what's going on. Being YouTube was trying to freaking take me down. YouTube. All right, so this one is from Kentucky. What do we have here? I fucking hate YouTube. I'm so pissed off. This is stupid. Here we go again. All right, I'm still on Twitch though. All right, I'm with you guys on Twitch. Am I back? Is it back? This is fucking dumb. I hate YouTube. Susan, you better fix it. All right, I think I'm back. Let's just continue. Let's have fun. Let's not get angry. Come on, Matt. Let's stay calm here. They're gonna take me down. Where's this one from? Fulfillment Center. Never heard of her. What do we have here? I don't know. What's this? What do we have here? A slim fit. Slim fit? I freaking wish. What does this say? All right, I'm going to need help, folks. What does this say? Unless I'm showing something inappropriate, then keep it to yourself. But don't forget to switch it. I think there's like a J and then an A and then a C. Jacked? Jack tits? Is that? No way. Do I have a Jack tit? Is this a Jack tit shirt? Is that what this says? Jack tits? What? That took me way too long to put together. Jacked with the tit. No way. That's so sick. Oh, man. This is the content that YouTube's trying to keep away from you folks. That is so awesome. Oh, man. To the unsung fulfillment center hero who sent that my way. My stream is fuzzy. My life is fuzzy. This is gonna end bad. Package in a package. Where's this one from? From Herbal. Feels good again and get back to life. Herbal offense. What do we have here? Blur. Kentucky. I feel like if it's blurry, just do a quick reload. I mean, all right, we have some home remedy stuff. Herbal offense, your body's defense, immune support. I probably need this. I hope maybe there's some mental stuff in here as well. Going viral, here's some immune support. I appreciate that. That's so kind of you. Hey, that's so kind of you. What else do we have? What else? The High Life. All in. Oops. The High Life. It looks like that is the band. All right. I don't want to read your message like out loud. I'm going to read this like right after, but we got the High Life. Check it out. High Life. We appreciate that. Not sure if you're watching right now, but much love. Much love. Man, I feel like I haven't done this in a hot minute. There's quite a few packages here. What else do we have going? Refreshed and jacked. We have, okay, there's these little like ape things that you can squeeze, and on the back it says Ape Army Squeeze, but it's like a stress doll. So whenever we're like fighting with the Gregs and I'm getting like pissed off and I want to light someone up on Twitter, I'll just have these stress apes. The stress apes. This is Tony. Tony. I appreciate it. I got your message. I'm going to save this. I've actually been keeping all of the letters because I think it's like one of the freaking coolest things ever. But much love. Thank you so much. All right. What else do we have here? This is from Steelman in Blue Springs. What's MO? Missouri or Montana? MO is Missouri, isn't it? Anathema Surviving the Night. Whoa. Is this like a scary book? A spooky book? A spooky book? My wife wrote this so that it would be legible. Thank you for all the shout out Dylan. I got it. I got the book. Thank you so much. And also tell your wife that she has amazing penmanship. But we got solid book coming in. We'll have to add that to the reading section. Reading session on my day. Written by Dylan Steelman. Art by Dustin Rader. Whoa. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right. What else do we have? Another fulfillment center. Fulfillment. A gift for you. New salt box. It's convenient for all those you're feeling a little salty. Me salty when? Never. Whoa, this is fancy. Hey, this is something. Salt storage. For all the times that I'm being a little salty, I feel like you guys are getting to, whoa, that's actually a nice one. It like has a, whoa, a very mobile top. That's pretty cool. You guys are starting to know me too well. For all the times I'm feeling a little salty. That's too funny. Ooh, this is from Robert. Robert from Germany. I know a guy named Robert in Germany. That's pretty freaking cool. Well, if he's in Germany and it's Friday, I feel like he's probably having a night out on the town with his buddies right now. So Robert, if you happen to be listening, I appreciate it, but I have a feeling you're spending your German night doing something a little bit more fun right now, pal. A little bit more fun. Robert from Germany. Germany. This all right, Robert, I got your message, and let's just check this out. Let's see what this. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This goes well with the Jack Tits shirt. We got the moon and the candles. The candles straight up to the moon. That's awesome. Robert, I appreciate it. You beautiful guy. I don't know if you're listening right now, but hey, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's keep this party going because I have yet to cut myself. Let's become OP, have a GG. What is this? Overpowered. What's overpowered? Overpowered. Wow. Overpowered. The opposite of me. You're trying to get me a lot of little... What's in this? What is this? I like the logo. We're seeing where this is gonna go. Overpowered. Whoa. Overpowered. Oh, it's like gamer energy bars. Shout out to Overpowered. I appreciate you sending this. Nootropic energy bars. Nootropic. That's like your brain, right? We have like a whole box of just these like bars. I'll have to eat one. Chocolate brownie. Bunch of chocolate brownies. So for energy and for your brain. Hey, maybe it's like going to be my go-to breakfast. Maybe I should start doing that. Thank you. Shout out to OP. OP with the GG. I saw that the new Call of Duty came out today, Vanguard. I suck at video games, but for any of you gamers out there, I'll be playing it this weekend because, like, why not? Why not? So if you want to play with me, but I'm awful. If you're very good and can carry my weight, just let me know. Jesus and Steven. Pro Lion Board. Let's see what this is. What do you guys have? This looks fancy. Fancy. Ah. What do we have here? What do we have? What's in the box? We have something that lights up. What is it though? 10 lighting modes. 300, 100, 100. Oh. This is really cool. Okay, I don't think it's going to come across, but it's kind of like a placemat. So you have your phone and right here. Here's your phone, your keyboard, your mouse. So it's like a whole mat. It seems like that goes under it. Very cool. Let me see if I could get some more details for you. Our names are Jesus and Steven. We want to send you a customized Apes to the Moon mouse pad, and we think oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. I need a mouse pad. You read my mind. I appreciate that. You guys, you're so nice. What's this one from? We're talking La Puente, California. The custom shelf. Ooh, this one's a bit of a challenge. We got duct tape. I think some of you guys mess with me just because you know I'm bad at opening boxes. How do I get into this little ditty? Nope. Well, this is... Have you ever live streamed yourself cutting a finger and having to go to the emergency room? Ah, fuck. All right. Look at that. That one came right through the box. That got me. That was right on the finger. All right, this is getting a bit dangerous, folks. I'm gonna like end up cutting my headphone. We're feeling feisty today. What is this? A freaking Rubik's Cube to get into here? Whew. This is why I need to get back to the gym. Whoa, that's kind of cool though. Worth it. Look at the penmanship on that. The calligraphy. The calligraphy. Whoa. No way. What? You guys got to check this out. We got an M. An ape M with some cool drawing. All right. And then we got this K. The K, the Rocket K, GameStop, AMC, MK. That is so freaking cool. I love that. I love that. I love that. This is coming from California. All right, let's see if I just want to give the shout out. Mark. Instagram. The Custom Shelf by Doodles. Shout out, Mark. This penmanship? This is hang on, I don't want to like dox anything. Look at that penmanship. That's handwritten right there. How are people this good at writing things? I'm like actually legitimately jealous that people have that type of penmanship and mine looks like worse than chicken scratch. Like I get notably jealous of people who have artistic ability because I have zero. I feel like I could appreciate good art, but like to produce it myself, nothing. No shot whatsoever. All right. Well, this isn't working. Hello? All right, we're gonna have to do some expert level stuff over here. What do we have going on? Woo! Cut up and away. Up and away. What do we have going on? What do we have going? What is this? Well, hello there. Where are we going? Where are we going with this one? We got power, a power adapter. Who is this from? This is from a shoppy in Texas. Uh-oh, I need that. Where are we going with this? More to open. More to open. All right, focus and attack. Focus and attack. This, you know, sometimes the biggest struggles have the biggest rewards. You know, we already saw that from the MK. Focus. Potential. Holy, oh, jeez. I am. Thus far, I'm losing this particular fight. But the tides are turning. The tides are turning. Lots of bubble wrap. Must mean that it's precious, you know? And by most accounts, hang on. I brought 2 tools to hope with this one. I also brought some scissors. I was more prepared. Hang on. Let's get into this. What do we have? What do we have happening here? Woo! Don't need to go to the gym today. Whoa. Whoa. Hang on. Nope. We might have to extend market hours today just for me to get this actually open. So someone call up the SEC, please, and be like, hey, we could use another half hour on the market. Check this out. Check this out. Hang on. A light that says Moon Gang. Moon. Now I gotta plug it in. Now we gotta figure out how to plug this bad boy in. We gotta check it out. We gotta check it out. Where did all this go? And it comes with this. Hang on. We could do this. We have the power. All right. Let's plug this bad mamma jamma in, folks. This bad mamma jamma. Whoa, all right, careful, 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 careful. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Moon Gang. It works perfectly right there. Boom. Moon Gang. Just so everyone remembers where we're at. That's so sick. I know who sent this. Occam. That's so incredibly sick. Moon Gang. It's official now. As soon as you have a neon light of your community, does it get better than that? Does it get freaking better than that? All right, one more. That's so sick. Hang on. see what we have in this thing. A 3D illusions lamp. All right. A box of Cheez-Its. You gotta love that. And hang on. Hang on. This is a big box. Phew. Who is this from? Who is this from? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh, I do have the card in here. Who's this from? Just a small token of appreciation. This is from the mod team. What? The mods? What'd you guys send? What'd you guys send here? The mod team, they know me too well. The mod team. And the reveal. The ape. That's so freaking cool. Man, I love you guys so much. This is so sick. That's so sick. Man, what a... I love you guys. Seriously. Seriously. All of you. You crazy folks are the best. You crazy folks. Thank you so much. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, all of this stuff is amazing. Man, what a Friday. What a Friday. You guys put the biggest smile on my face. That's so cool. Now we have to just get it hung. I know, like, I guess all weekend I'm just going to be working on this back wall, getting this all set up. We got to get the picture in there. We have so much going on. It'll work. This is so much fun. Merry Christmas, Mark. Jacked up. This stuff is so freaking cool. We'll have to get it hanging up. Man, what a cool community. What an absolutely freaking cool community to have. All of us. The Moon Gang, the Ape Nation. What a fun little corner of the internet we have going on right now. Keep opening stuff. AMC's going up. I could open up and show you what the lamp is. All right, hang on. I just need to actually get this like plugged in without breaking it. Too much stuff. All right, if I could show you guys all this. All right, let's plug in a second thing over here. This might take a hot sec. Looks like we have a cool lamp. Woo! That was a knife. Hello? All right. How do you plug this bad boy in? This goes in here. This goes in here. And then the final piece all right, where did I put this? Can you guys... Oh, here it's out of frame. I have a duck light now. Hang on. All right, can I change the color? Whoa, green. We got some blue, some red. That's awesome. Does it strobe? There you go. Oh, you can go faster and slower. Flash, strobe, fade. My duck, my own duck that lights up. That's awesome. That's so cool. So cool. All right, where else are we at? We got the duck now. It's official. He has a light up duck. Matt, Trey, and I invite you to Fort Sill, okay, so we can teach you class on safety. I was cringing in the last 5 minutes. Obviously, I am a professional box opener. That's how all the pros do it. Can verify. Happy Friday, Matt. Love all you do. First, I'm actually in the process of selling my SHIB to buy and switch to Coinbase. Ape noises. Thomas becoming an astronaut. Love to get for my son. Where can we order? Which one? Me hung low. I could try to find like the producer of some of these for you. Is this live or pre-recorded? This is live. This is right off from the cuff. Do you love SHIB? Buy a gift for your favorite Shiba Inu. Look at Santa Coin. Big ass George W on the daily for AMC. Is clove still a short squeeze contender? I never really thought of it as one myself. Matt, would you rather fight 100 ape-sized ducks or a roll of bubble wrap? I'd probably have a better shot with the bubble wrap, or not with the, like, losing. I would lose with the bubble wrap. I have no shot with the bubble wrap is what I should say. Matt, I'm drunk, bro. Max Capital, I hope you're having a good one. Oh, man. This is what happens. YouTube tries to take you down. Taking me down twice today. Clearly technical issues. Didn't go down on Twitch. Didn't go down on Rumble. We're living to fight another day. All right. I just need to get all that stuff. I think that's all of the stuff. If you happen to send a letter or something like that, it's just sometimes people share private information, so I don't want to like read those out loud, but I do have a stack of letters upstairs. Blurry. If it's blurry, I guess just reload because I think it's coming across fine. Or maybe not. This was an eventful week. Very eventful week. Feels super eventful. Let's get some music popping.
We're going to the moon. Screw Kenny, cause we're holding on for dear life, getting them tendies so soon. Don't be mistaken, the apes won't be shaking or breaking because we're going to the moon. One day, very soon, gonna wake up on the moon. Brand new yacht and a McDonald's in my living room. Bright yellow Lamborghini, 15-meter swimming pool. Champagne every day, hey fam, what you do? Wanna hang, wanna chill? Oh, you got a mansion too? Oh, that's right, held on tight, jack titties every night. We was in way back when they tried to drop it down to 10. And just couldn't comprehend, ace was strong until the end. Now let's retell it, sit the down, they be sweating. Had enough of these felons, but the apes we rebelling. Cause we never be selling, till we send it to heaven. Now we be out here yelling, hey screw you Kenny. Bought my wife a minivan to share with the boyfriend, but I pull up in the Benz, plate saying olive crayons. Going on an airplane, don't think we'll be back again. Celebrating every day like it's your birthday. Screw Kenny, cause we're holding on for dear life, getting them tendies so soon. Don't be mistaken, the apes won't be shaking or breaking because we're going to the moon. Screw Kenny, cause we're holding on for dear life, getting them tendies so soon. Don't be mistaken, the apes won't be shaking or breaking because we're going to the moon. Today's expectation, probably more manipulation. FUD, a creation of a crooked operation. Bought more while it was low, got more dips than Trader Joe's. Oh, you thought that we'd let go? What the hell you take us for? Holla if you spend your last dollar on bananas while living in squalor. We don't claim to be scholars, we the smooth brain dummies, and we never stood taller. Yeah, we do this for love and we do this for honor. Apollo 11 ain't got nothing on us. We the planet of the apes and in MOS we trust. MOASS, oh hell yes. Gonna send it into space, go fire up the jets. Done my DD, call me Elton John, Rocket Man. This is the way, gonna be gorillionaires. Ground control to Major Tom, we about to have liftoff. Call us Neil Armstrong, gonna keep holding on.
Let's go, let's go. Just so you know, that song is by the Gorillionaires. They have two songs, To the Moon and then Show Me the Money. Both of those can be found on YouTube, Spotify, iTunes. Once again, the name of the band is the Gorillionaires, and two very popular songs within the ape community are out. So feel free to check them out. To the Moon, Show Me the Money, Gorillionaires. Search it, give them a like, give them a sub, give them a follow. Awesome people. They've been so kind to allow me to play their music on my stream, and that's awesome. I love the opportunity to support some ape artists, and really it's just awesome. Like the music itself is incredibly good in my opinion. So more than happy to for it to be out there. Bro, I was so proud to see you in the documentary. Hey, I appreciate that. That's so kind of you. Hey, dude, using some of my first realized gains after watching you since April, and I've grown my portfolio. I've learned so much from you. A small token of my appreciation. Go get a drink on me tonight. Samuel, I definitely will. If you guys see a little, like a drunk guy in a duck shirt hanging out in Philly tonight, you know, I'm just living my best life. Everything's A-okay. Everything's A-okay. I'll be running around the streets somewhere, I'm sure. James Hutchinson becoming a space ape. I appreciate that. Happy Friday, Matt. Love all you do. Shout out Darkened Flame. Shout out Darkened 3. Excuse me. Kelly Ripa would never. Charles Payne tweet allegedly. Breaking news, Market Minute says AMC through 45 and it's to the moon. That was about an hour ago, so I don't think that's like a breaking tweet. She was on his show today, and I kind of agree with that. So why is 45 particularly important? Well, because it comes right here. It's this trend line breakout. So we get out of this wedge that we've been following ever since June 18th. That's a break and a break and a run. So let's hope, like, I mean, obviously things can break and then it's a fake out. So obviously we don't want to see that, but would at least love the opportunity to try. Maybe it breaks out, reaffirms the trend line, and then rips from there. Possibility, definitely a strong possibility, but a clear level of resistance first in the mid 44s, rejection. So I'd love to follow through that and then see this test of 53, which is the high from mid-September. Can't hear me. I think that's on your end. I think I'm coming through. What's better, public or Fidelity? It's up to you. I mean, like, you could define better various ways, but no matter what it is, I implore everyone to try to get your trades to be executed on exchange. 45 is important because that's my effing strike. What's going on, G? Well, G, I hope you go very much into the money on that particular strike play. I very much do. Loud and clear. What other voices do we have going on here?
Hello. What if I auto-tune this?
Hello? Wait, how is this the auto
Tune for this? That doesn't make sense. Testing.
testing? The auto tune is very high. Hello.
Testing.
Luke, I am your father.
Hello. This sounds like my normal voice.
Hello. Testing. Ken Griffin, we are coming for you. The robots are coming.
Testing. Is this anything? Hello? I can't even hear anything now. Is this my voice? I don't know. We're all losing our mind now. We're all having one of those days. I just assume everyone is having the same emotional response that I'm always having. A professional YouTube trading channel. Yeah, that's one word that probably doesn't make the most sense for this channel is professional. How do they keep shorting PROG at 100% utilization? Because remember, people can offer up more shares. So if more people are willing to loan out their shares, then those ones can be additionally shorted. The pool of shares that people are willing to lend out is continually dynamic. It gets bigger, it gets smaller. Can we get SHIB instead of BBBY? Of course, just because you asked so kind. Ooh, look at that movement back into the 60s. SHIB on a run over the past couple hours. Do you have a battle droid voice? I mean, we could work on something. All right, here's a good start. Let's get a little bit of a robot in here.
Maybe a little bit of a heavier robot, a little bit of a reverb, a little bit of echo. Too much echo. All right, what about this? Ken Griffin, we are coming for you. The Battle of the Apes. Welcome to the planet of the apes. All right, a little bit heavy on that, a little bit on the nose there.
Should we tune it? Should we?
No.
No.
Hard tune.
Attention, citadel. We are coming for you.
Nah, I don't like that one. Uh-oh. Luke, I am your father.
All right, now we're back to normal, back to business. Front man for the Squid Games. Kylo Ren. This thing, man, one of my best purchases. That's really what got my career going, was the voice changer. The voice changer is what did it in. Lucid is running. Lucid's ripping. I think Lucid could be heading for that gap fill in the mid 50s. Lucid is crushing it. Crushing it. We've been a fan of Lucid here for a while now. It was always in my top 3, but then with political developments, Lucid kind of edged out Neo in my favorites. So it goes Tesla, then Lucid. Bullish on both, like them both. I'm a fan of them both. I think both are very strong long-term holds, and apparently they've been also great short-term holds. I'm out of timeout, y'all. I shall respect Matt from now on. RR, what did you end up saying? Oh, man. Hedge funds watching the live stream, they can see our level of stress chilling on voiceover, listening to ape songs. We're here to stay. What about the Rivian IPO? I'm avoiding IPOs. Usually there's too much hype behind them and they just open up at too high of a price. So they go up and then they come down. So generally, if you want a medium to a long-term thing, it almost seems to be best to wait a little bit for things to settle down. Personally, Lucid better than Neo. I agree with you on that one. I'm not necessarily against Neo. I just think Lucid's become a stronger play, especially with like they're delivering now. Their battery's so freaking long, like the range that their Lucid batteries have. I think they're pretty slick looking cars. There's various things going on there, but I'm a fan. I said you overplayed the song. RR. It sounds like a mod gotcha for that. It's the Ape Nation. It's the Ape Anthem. I hate IPOs. Learn my lesson from Coinbase. Yeah, IPOs generally right now over the past, 3 years, there's just been so much hype going into IPOs. And generally you can pick up the price better if you just wait a little bit. But there's also volatility. So if you're just trying to like quick swing the volatility, like that's an opportunity. Tesla Lucid buyout sometime? I doubt it. I think Lucid's become too much. Lucid is now a $65 billion company. Maybe they buy him out, but like, I just don't see that. And I don't even know if I necessarily want them to, because I'm a fan of competition. We don't want everything to be dominated by like one company. So in a certain sense, like I like the extra competition because I think it goes for more technology development. It goes for lower prices. You want good competition between many players. You don't just want one player dominating everything, because then you get situations like the market makers we're currently seeing in Wall Street. Hey, is that Kenny calling? You know, Kenny hasn't called today, but maybe, I don't know, maybe he's taking a week off or something, but AMC's looking great. 4167. GME might be making a move to go green. It's down 2% right now. So that would be about $4. If this can make a move to like 217, 218-ish, GME could go green. AMC up and up, not a dead cat. Yeah, people calling it a dead cat it's just so egregiously wrong. But hey, what a week. What a way to kick off the month. Like, this has been percentage gain wise a great week for so much of the market in general. Like a solid week. Is Lucid a chaser at this point? Depends on your time frame, depends on your risk tolerance of what point you want to risk. When people say chasing, to me, that's a little bit of a time frame thing. Like, if you're going to buy Lucid now, but you're like, you know what, I'm about to hold this for a decade. Well, not really much of a chase. If you're looking to get into it just for like a couple days, yeah, it might be a little bit chasey then.
Ding, ding, ding.
Sorry, messed that voice up. Ding, ding, ding. The casino is closed. This time, not just for the week, but also or not for the day, but also for the week. We just kicked off the month of November. It is officially in the books. Exciting stuff. AMC closed at 41.70, a gain of 4%. GME closed at 213, a drop of 2%, but both are very much green on the week. The first week of November, our favorite moon stocks in the green. SHIB looking great, trading just below or at 61 right now. SHIB making that run back. Lucid having a great week. Tesla having a great week. Ethereum hitting a new all-time high, Solana hitting a new all-time high, Bitcoin not a new all-time high, but definitely battling it out. Lots of money-making opportunity. It does definitely get me particularly excited. Overall, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. So here's the plan. At some point this weekend, I'm looking to post the interview. Right now, we're actually just working through some of like the technical issues with it. The interview was already it already happened, but I'm just trying to get that out. So as of now, the plan is for tomorrow, but obviously I'll let you know if anything of that changes. But we were able to get an interview with the Chief Market Policy Officer at IEX, previously worked at the SEC. Exciting stuff. We just have to work through some of those issues, but I'm going to be doing my best right after this to make sure that is going to be posted tomorrow. And then obviously Sunday, and I don't know, I hope whatever your college team is tomorrow, your NFL team tomorrow, I hope everyone's right. I hope all your predictions are right. And then I will be back here Monday. Next week will be particularly exciting. I believe Tuesday afternoon, I won't be here because Trey and I will actually be together in New York for a town hall with Charles Payne. So that's Tuesday, but Monday first, we have to get through Monday, which is the earnings announcement. So early next week, some exciting stuff to happen. Very, very excited really for all of that stuff to play out. So Monday, normal market day. After the market closes, AMC earnings. Tuesday, I'll be here in the morning. Then I get up to New York and meet up with Trey and Charles. We'll be doing a town hall there. So the first half of next week, definitely exciting. But overall, seriously, thank you for all the support. Thanks for all this stuff. You guys are beyond the best. And as always, best of luck in the markets from both me and Cher. But beyond that, have a great weekend. Spend some time with family and friends. I hope it's very, very enjoyable. I'll catch you very soon. Have a good one. Peace.